Hey guys, welcome to Unit 2. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is combine like terms. I already touched on this a little bit in the last unit, and I did that to make it easier for you this unit. So I'm going to write some crazy long thing. 2x squared plus 3x plus 9x squared plus 4 plus 3x plus 5x squared plus 18 plus 2x equals, I'm just going to say it equals y. It doesn't really matter what it equals. So what is a like term? A like term is something, or like terms are things that look alike. So let's see, I've got an x squared, and I've got an x squared, and I've got an x squared. They all look alike, and I want to combine them. So I've got 2x plus 9x. That's 11x, plus 5x is 16x squared. So I've got 16x squared. Now, let's do just my x's. I've got 3x, 3x, and 2x. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So I've got 8x. And then I have 4 and I have 18. So that's plus 22 equals y. Yay! Okay, we have combined our like terms. Let's do another. So like terms. 2 and 7 are like terms. 24 is a like term. 0.8 is a like term. But if I put in here 2x, that is not a like term because none of these have x's. We have to be able to combine them. So I can do 2x and 9x. I can do 13x. I can do 495x. Like terms. But if I put in here 2x squared, nope, not a like term. They have to look alike. X squared, x cubed. It doesn't really matter, x to the 99th. They all have to look the same or not have an x at all. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say 2x plus 3y plus 42 plus 96y plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 9x squared plus 27y plus 10 equals, let's say m equals m. All right, let's look for our like terms. I always just start here. So I've got 2x. Let's look for my other x's. There's a 4x. Okay, that's all I've got. 2x plus 4x is 6x. Then I go to my next one. I've got a y. Let's look for my other y's. 96y. That's it. 96 plus 3 is 99y. All right, I've got 42 with no variables, just a number. 42 plus 27. 42 plus 27 is 52, 62, 67, 68, 69. Plus 10, 79. Plus 79. And then I've got a 3x squared and a 9x squared. That's 12x squared equals m. All right. This is combining like terms. Combine like terms. Now I'm going to bump it up a notch. I'm going to give you crazy equations with variables on both sides. Combine like terms. Let's do 6x plus 9 equals 12x minus 4. What? Okay. The whole point is to get one of these sides equal to 0. We want one side equal to 0. One side equal to 0. Okay. I'm going to choose this side. I want this side right here to be equal to 0. Well, how do I get rid of a 9? If I've got 9 and I want 0, how do I get rid of it? Subtract it. There's a rule, a very strict rule. What you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other side. So I look at my like terms. The like term here is 4. So now, what is -4 minus 9? -4 minus 9 is -13. So I've got 6x equals 12x minus 13. Now I'm getting closer to 0. I want to make this side 0. If I've got 6x, how can I have no x's? Subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. But if I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. Minus 6x. Now I've got 0 equals 12 minus 6 is 6. 6x minus 13. So cool, huh? Okay, let's do another one. 24 plus 6x squared minus 8 plus 2x squared equals 10 plus, 10x squared minus 4x squared. Okay, the first step is to combine like terms on one side. One side. Okay, I've got 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 is 16. And I've got 6x squared plus 2x squared. So that's plus 8x squared. Now, number 2 is combine like terms on the other side. Okay, now I've got 10. I don't have any more like terms. So 10 plus 10x squared minus 4x squared is 6x squared. All right, now 3, combine like terms from both sides. Okay, so I think it'll be easier to choose this side. We want to make this side 0. So let's, if I've got 10, how can I have 0? Take away 10. But if I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. So take away 10. Now I've got 6 plus 8x squared equals 6x squared. Now, if I've got 6x squared and I want 0, what do? I take away 6x squared. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. Now, I've got 6 plus 8 minus 6 is 2. 2x squared equals 0. Done. Let's do one more, just to be sure. I'm going to leave those rules there. I hope that you have written those down. I know some of you have already before I even had to say it. Alrighty. Last one. 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus m minus 4 plus 2m equals 9x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3m plus 9. Okay, don't let yourself get overwhelmed. Don't do that. First thing we do, combine like terms on one side. So you can just completely ignore this side. Let's combine the like terms over here. I have 3x cubed. I don't have any more 3x cubed. 2x squared. I don't have any more x squared. M. Oh, I've got another 2m right there. So I can do 3m. 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3m. And I don't have any more just numbers, so minus 4 equals, let's see here. I don't have any more 9, I don't have any more x cubed. I don't have any more x squared. I don't have any more m's. And I don't have any more just numbers. So I just write it all right back how it was. Okay, now we want one of these sides to be equal to 0. I'm going to choose this side. So I've got 3x squared. Cubed. If I have 3x cubed and I want 0, what do? Subtract 3x cubed. But if I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. So now I've got 2x squared plus 3m minus 4 equals 6x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3m plus 9. Now I've got my 2x squared. If I have 2x squared, but I want 0, I subtract 2x squared. If I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. So subtract 2x squared. Now I've got, oh, sorry, I should have been doing that here. 2x squared minus 2x squared. Now I've got 3m minus 4 equals 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3m plus 9. Now I've got 3m over here. How do I get rid of it? I subtract 3m. If I do it here, I have to do it here. So now I've got negative 4 equals 6x cubed minus 4x squared. Well, 3 minus 3 is 0 plus 9. I have to move this out of the way. Now I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I've got negative 4 on one side. If I have negative 4 and I want 0, I have to add 4. And if I add 4 on one side, I have to add 4 on the other side. Now I have 0 equals 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 13. And there's my answer. I told you guys math problems are going to get longer and longer and longer and longer. These can get pretty long and complicated. But all you do, if you remember these rules, you're going to get it right every time. Combine your like terms on one side. Then combine your like terms on the other side. Then combine your like terms from both sides. And you want one of your sides to be equal to 0. All right. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you have any questions, send me an email. All right, no, I always say that. It's not what I mean. If you have any questions, write me on Teams.